Hello everyone. In this video we will learn customer material information record. Okay. The people also call customer material info record, that is CMIR. Okay. So customer material info record is used for maintain customer specific material information. Okay. Material information like customer specific, like if customer wants any specific number, okay, instead of supplier material name, they can also add any specific code, any specific description for the material. Okay, so customer material info record means maintain customer specific material information. Okay, so those information may be any customer specific, okay, customer specific material number, uh, specific description, specific description, any specific code. Okay, so that they can add, okay, with the help of this customer material info record process. So there are different T codes, and for performing this customer material info record, first of all, okay, so for that you required some pre-requirements specific master record. Okay, so like material master record, so in which material you want to add your own, means customer specific own information. Okay, so like, so for that, first of all, in SAP system material master record is maintained, and second, business partner. Okay, so who is the business partner? So under which business partner you want to add material specific information. Okay, so these are two pre-requirements. Now what are the T codes that is used to perform this customer material info record? So there are different T codes. So first, if you want to create a new customer material info record, so for that BD51. Okay, so if you want to change in any existing one, so for that use VD52. If you want to display, so that time you will use VD53. And list of customer material info records, you will use T code, that is VD59. So these are the T codes. Through this T code we have to maintain customer material info record. Okay, now perform, so there is only one step. Okay, we add material master info, and like we create sales order, so that time we will see, I will show you. Okay, so here step, okay, that is one. Okay, so add customer specific information into the material. Okay, so for that use T code VD51. Okay, go to SAP system, so enter your user ID, password, then use T code VD51, press enter, customer. Okay, so I already told you, like customer, here you see, so this is business partner as a customer, add sales organization SO11, okay, distribution channel 01. Okay, so this is my information, organization related information. After press enter, automatically you can see this is the window where you create customer material info record. Okay, now enter your material number, name, whatever you have. Okay, so I have material name, so I have enter. Okay, let's suppose customer material is specific information, so I am add customer material, okay, information, yeah, so this is I have add. Okay, after that press enter and again press enter. Now save it. You can see customer material info record was saved, means it is maintained. Okay, it is maintained, so our step is completed. Now we will check. So when, let's suppose I create a sales order, create a sales order, okay, create a sales order, normal standard sales order. Okay, so use T code VA 01 and order type, you can select order type OR. Okay, so let's we start with create a sales order. So use T code VA01, go to SAP system, here we VA01, order type OR. Okay, sales organization, distribution channel, division, I add. After that press enter. Okay, so sold to party, that is our customer, so maintain customer, so this is the customer. And here you see payment terms, add a payment terms, Incoterms CFR. Okay, location Mumbai. Now here you see material related information. Okay, here you enter material related information. Let's suppose this is my material, I have enter, and this is the quantity, and I want to try to see material customer specific information. So here you see customer material number. Okay, so you can add any text, any number. Okay, so I have add a text. Okay, now press enter and you can see here. Okay, it is asking. Okay, so I maintain a customer specific number, press enter. Okay, okay, now you can see we have added customer material. Okay, so this information we have added and it is automatically come. Here you see this is my material and this is the text that I maintained during creation of this material. Now and current and in this customer material info record I have maintained this information and it is showing in this column. This is customer material number. Okay, so this is the way. Now you create your delivery document number, billing document number, everywhere it is showing, and your final, so what the PDF you are generated, any PDF, it is showing customer material related information what you have added. Okay, so that is all related to customer material info record. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, okay, so subscribe, and if you have any doubt, so comment out. Thank you guys.